Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 2:15 p.m. At 1:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fort Atkinson, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Palmyra, Rome, Hebron, Sullivan, Helenville, and National Weather Service Milwaukee Sullivan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe